Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix storage full and free up space on BLACKSHARK Pad 7 Pro. So first, we're gonna go and check our storage. We're gonna open up settings, and from here, we're gonna use the storage button. As you guys can see, I do not have a full storage. So if you ever get the storage full, what you guys want to do is go over to free up space. In the free up space section, as you guys can see, you will have delete large files. For example, we can select the files right here. And what are we gonna do with them is we can simply select them, click on the trash icon, click move one file to trash, and then we can click view. We can click all items and click delete. Now, as you guys can see, this will be deleted permanently. We gained some storage back, not a lot, but we still gained some. And what are we gonna do next is we're simply gonna go back to storage. Now we can see if we have any games. For example, if we don't play any games, we can go over, check their storage, and we can, for example, press and hold them here. We got the app info, and we should click on uninstall. Now we are getting 2 gigabytes back almost. And of course, we got the second app here. I can only clear the stuff, so I need to go here, click on app info, and do the same. As you guys can see, it's also gone, and we just gained another storage back. So we just freed up like 2 gigabytes, and as you guys can see, there are no games, and our storage also drops. So that's how you guys can fix storage full and free up some space. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.